Everyone, I am Santosh Yoganandram. I am from Sangli. Today it is 7 December 2021. Today topic is constructor. Constructor in Java, as the name suggests, terminology being used to construct something in our program. So basically, if we think deeper, we always we are declaring variables and later initializing them. Java being object oriented language, our goal is bring code closer to the real world there, where we create an object. Now somebody is needed to look over the construction of this object to get the how they are initially working, how constructors are different from the methods in Java. Constructor must have the same name as the class within the is defined, while is not necessary for the method. In Java, constructor do not return any type of, while method have the return type, or while if does not return any value. Constructors are called only once at the time of the object created, while methods can be called any number of times. Need of construction. Think a box. If you talk about the box class, then it will have some classes variables, say length, breadth, and height. But when it some comes to creating a object, box will be exit in the computer memory. Then can be box, there are no values depend for its dimension. The answer is no. So constructors are used to assigning values to the class variables at the time of the object declaration, either explicitly or done it by the programmer or by Java itself. Default constructor, when is a constructor called each time an object is created by using a new keyword. At least one constructor. It could be the default constructor. It invoked to design initial value to the data members of the same class. Now is created a correct time to discuss type of constructors. So primarily, there are two types of constructor in Java. No argument constructor, parameterized constructor. Type 1, no argument constructor. No argument constructor, a constructor that has no parameter is known as default constructor. If we don't define a constructor in class, they no compiler creating a default constructor with the no argument for the class. And if we write a constructor with arguments or no arguments, they compile does not create a default constructor. So constructors are used to assigning values to the class variables at the time of object creation, either explicitly done by the programmer or by Java itself. Default constructor. Type 2, parameterized constructor. A constructor that has parameters is known as parameterized constructor. If we want to initialize field of the class with the own values, then use the parameterized constructor. The most important topic that comes into play is the strong encryption of oops with the construction known as constructor overloading. Just like methods, we can overload the constructor for creating an object in different ways. Compilers differentiate constructors on the basis of number of parameters, types of the parameters, and order of parameters. Now we discuss the difference between Java construction and Java methods. A construction is used to initialize the state of object, and A method is used to expose the behavior of object. In constructor, a constructor must not have any written type. A method must have a written type. The constructor is not involved in implicity. The method is involved in explicity. Thank you.